And now we are going to discuss about the messages, how to write a short message. So class 6th, open page number 173 in your grammar books. We have a very less time and you are lagging behind a lot in your syllabus, so we have to rush a bit. थोड़ा सा आपको जल्दी करना पड़ेगा. Open page 173. Now, with this we are going to start this also. Today I am going to explain you, and in the another lecture I will give you 2 messages to write. Fine. So what are short messages? Start writing. Short messages are written to give information or urgent news to a person who is not present. So message आप कब छोड़ते हैं? You leave messages only when the person is not present there, right? And there is some urgent information to give to other person. So then you leave the short message. जब आपने किसी को बहुत important message देना है and that person is not present, so then you leave the written message there. Nowadays there is no need to write the messages, because nowadays mobile phone is doing the multitasking. Everything we are doing with the help of mobile phones. But in the earlier days, when there were no telephones, only letter writing and all these modes of sending messages were there. So at that time we used to use this type of methods to leave the messages. This is usually written on the basis of conversation between 2 or more people. Now, if the person is not present, that means it is based on the conversation between the 2 people. आपको मैसेज कब मिलता है? या तो कोई टेलीफोन आता है. आप सपोज आपके टेलीफोन कम्स फॉर योर ब्रदर, right, and he is not at home, and you will pick up the phone and you will get you will hear the message, take the message, and you will tell his friend, the brother of friend of your brother, that you will deliver the message to your brother. So suppose, and at that time you have to go somewhere, and what you will do, so you will write a message what his friend has told you on a piece of paper, and you will keep it there for your brother to read it. So that is called message. It is based on the conversation between the 2 people, and this conversation may or may not be telephonic. तो ये टेलीफोनिक कन्वर्सेशन भी हो सकती है या किसी और तरीके से भी हो सकती है. हो सकता है आपके घर आके कोई आया है एंड ही वांट्स टू मीट योर सिस्टर और योर मदर और एनीबडी एल्स, and the person he wants to meet is not at home, and you takes the message and you leaves the message for that person in case you are going out. Now what are the main features of the short messages? The name of the person for whom the message is meant. ठीक है, एक तो उस बंदे का नेम होना चाहिए जिसके लिए आपने मैसेज छोड़ा है बहुत क्लियरली. As few words as possible are used. So messages are short messages जो होते हैं, as the name suggests, very few words are used. Okay. The message is written in reported indirect speech. क्योंकि आप मैसेज लीव कर रहे हैं तो आप उसको रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में लिखेंगे, इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में लिखेंगे. ओनली रेलिवेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन, जो इम्पोर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन है, जो मैसेज आपको मिला है, वट एवर मैसेज यू हैव टेकन फ्रॉम दैट पर्सन, फ्रॉम द मैसेंजर, only that relevant information is to be given, right? No extra information. Clear mention of salutation and signatory. Salutation is बच्चे on the upper part and signatory is at the concluding part. Now you write all this in your notebooks, then make this box like this and write down salutation means dear Deepthi or Deepthi, whatever you feel like. Avoid writing like this, my dear friend Deepthi. No need. Just write dear Deepthi or simple Deepthi. Okay. Signatory Monica. नीचे आपने मैसेज लिखा and you will write your name. down. That's it. No need to give these adjectives with it. No need to add nothing. It should be very simple. Then you draw a box like this. Write down message on the center top. Left side, date. Leave one line, time. And then from the left side down, signatory. And here all the body means the content, whatever you feel like writing. Whatever the message you have taken, you will write down here. So write this whole page in your notebook immediately. ये बनाइए आप. अब हम थोड़े से मैसेजेस डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. Come to next page, page number 174. It's a sample message. Now what is it? So here is a telephonic conversation between the Vicky and Joy. Vicky is about to leave home and won't be able to meet his mother. He leaves a message for his mother. So there is a conversation between Vicky and Joy, and Vicky has to leave the home, so he has to leave message for his mother. He leaves a message for his mother. Write a short message in about 50 words. तो ये जो messages होते हैं हमारे, ये इसी रेंज के होते हैं, 50 वर्ड्स के आसपास. ओके. जॉय. हेलो, कैन आई स्पीक टू शर्मा आंटी? जॉय का फोन आ रहा है एंड ही वांट्स टू स्पीक टू शर्मा आंटी. एंड विकी takes the phone. She says that she is not at home. Is it Joy speaking? And he asks that Joy बोल रहा है. Joy, oh yes, Vicky, how are you doing? I have a message for your mother. So Joy says, yes, I am speaking. How are you doing? And I have a message for your mother. He says, thanks, I am fine. Because first of all, he has asked, how are you doing? So in the reply, he has said that thanks, I am fine. But mom has gone to gym and will be back after half an hour. Anything urgent? So Vicky says that mom has gone to the gym and he's not at home and he'll be back after half an hour. So if there is anything urgent, Joy, well, not exactly. He says, no, nothing, not exactly the urgent thing. The message is from my mother. So Joy's mother has sent a message for Vicky's mother. She was to meet auntie tomorrow, but she won't be able to make it. So Joy said that my mother has sent a message for your mother. She was to meet auntie tomorrow. Means my mother, means Joy's mother was going to meet Vicky's mother tomorrow. What is she saying? This is the same words he is saying, Joy is saying. But she won't be able to make it. Now he says that he won't be able to make it. What's the matter? Is all well? So Vicky asks, क्यों, क्या बात होगी? क्यों नहीं मिल पाएंगी? Yeah, everything is fine. Actually, some family friends will be arriving from Delhi tomorrow. So he says, no, everything is fine. All is well. Actually, some guests are arriving. So some family friends are coming from Delhi tomorrow and mom will be busy attending to them. So that is why she will not be able to meet auntie tomorrow. Vicky says, I'll inform mom. Bye. Bye. Take care. That's it. So this was the conversation, telephonic conversation. Now, how you will write it in a message form? You will draw a box. First of all, the message is written in a box. It is must. पहले आप पेंसिल से या पेन से बॉक्स बनाएंगे, फिर आप सेंटर में टॉप पे मैसेज लिखेंगे. क्लियर? लेफ्ट साइड पे डेट विद ईयर, देन लिविंग इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन टाइम, किस टाइम पे फोन आया, एंड उसके बाद आपने सैल्यूटेशन, उसके बाद आपने लिखना है सैल्यूटेशन, मॉम, या you will write simply mom. Now you will write down the main message that Joy rang up to say that his mother who was to visit you tomorrow. तो उसने एक ही लाइन में सारी चीज़ क्लियर कर दी कि जॉय ने रिंग किया था, he rang you to say that his mother who was to visit you tomorrow, जिसको आपको मिलने कल आना था, won't be able to come, वो कल नहीं आएंगी, as their family friends are arriving from Delhi, so she will be busy attending to them. That's all. only the important message which the Joy has left is to be written here, not more than 50 words. That's it. And write down the name Vicky. खत्म. सिर्फ उतना ही देना है मैसेज जितना बोला गया है. अपने आप से आपने खुद नहीं लगाना बीच में कुछ भी. ठीक है. तो आई थिंक कि ये आपको क्लियर हो गया सबको. अब ऐसे ही कल मैं आपको एक मैसेज दूंगी, अब आप ये भी पढ़ सकते हैं. इट इज ऑल्सो ए कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन ललित एंड हिज मदर. मिस गुप्ता, ललित, आई एम गोइंग टू मीट मिस दीपाली फ्रॉम माई ऑफिस राइट नाउ. ललित, डू यू हैव एनी अर्जेंट मीटिंग? सो ललित आस्क्स, मिस गुप्ता पूछते हैं, ललित, आई एम गोइंग टू मीट मिस दीपाली फ्रॉम माई ऑफिस राइट नाउ. डू यू हैव एन अर्जेंट मीटिंग? Lalit asks, yes, we have a conference next week. So he tells that we have a conference next week. So a lot of preparations need to be done. इसलिए बहुत सारे preparations करने हैं. So I want to meet Miss Dipali right now. Okay, ma'am, good luck. Is there anything I could do for you? So he says, okay, ma'am. This is ma'am, not mom. गलती से लिख दिया उसने. No, this is the conversation between Lalit and his mother. Miss Gupta और ललित दोनों मदर एंड सन हैं, वो आपस में बात कर रहे हैं. तो he says, okay mom, good luck. Is there anything I could do for you? He is saying कि I'm going to meet Miss Dipali, and Lalit asks, his son asks that if she is having some urgent meeting. So she tells that they have a conference next week and lot of preparations need to be done. So in that case she is going to meet Miss Dipali. So Lalit says, okay mom, good luck, and is there anything I could do for you? And पूछता है कि क्या मैं कुछ हेल्प कर सकता हूँ. Miss Gupta, well, not exactly, but are you going to stay at home till your sister comes from your tuition classes? So his mom says that I don't need any help. I just want that if you are going to stay at home till your sister comes from tuition classes. No ma'am, I have my music class at 6:30. So Lalit says that he has his music class at 6:30, so he won't be able to stay at home till her sister comes. Miss Gupta, in that case just inform about my meeting and tell her that I got the guidebook that she wanted and it is on her table. So her mother says that in that case if you have to leave, so you just inform her about my meeting. So तुम अपनी सिस्टर को इस मीटिंग के बारे में बता देना एंड टेल हर दैट आई हैव गॉट द गाइड बुक दैट शी वांटेड एंड दैट बुक इज ऑन द टेबल. Lalit, don't worry mom, I will inform her. And Lalit says that yes, okay mom, I will inform her. Miss Gupta, thanks and bye. Lalit, bye mom, take care. So now this is a conversation between Lalit and his mother, and as Lalit has to leave for the music class at 6:30, so he can leave the message in written on a piece of paper or a diary for her sister. So we can write this message also, or we can do some other message also. So for today it is quite enough. All of you, whatever I have told you, finish your work, complete your notebooks and bring both notebooks on Monday.